Good morning! It's another day here at the studio. I am working on a few things. As you can see, no you cannot, because this camera will not tilt down because it is following my face. Anyway, so today I thought, since I have been launching a whole lot of digital products, trying to make the most of my ECQ time, I thought that I would show you some examples on how you can use these products. There's now like a weird shadow mustache going on. I'm gonna lean over here so there's more light on my face. My studio is a mess and I can't be bothered to keep cleaning it every day because I'm cleaning everything else. What was I gonna do? Alright, I'm gonna show you a few examples of what you can do with the digital downloads that I am now providing on DeedoeDesign.com. Jumping into the screen recording. So what we're gonna do today is take a look at my watercolor leaves bundle. As you can see, you get a lot of hand-painted watercolor leaves, and you also get this one fully laid out design with the watercolor textured background. So all you have to do in this case is add your text and you can use it in that way. But what we're going to be working with now is the individually cut out leaves. So today we're going to try to make a social media post something encouraging and inspiring because I feel like a lot of people need it right now. I've chosen this bright and happy background, and now I'm going to put in my text and speed this up a little bit. So once you're happy with the placement of your text, that's when you should jump back into the watercolor leaves bundle. And then from here, I'm just going to pick out individual leaves, literally just drag and drop them straight into Photoshop or whatever photo editing platform you're using. So each of these leaves have been hand painted by me, scanned, and then carefully cut out one by one so you can plop them into any background that you wish. This is the fun part. Now I'm just gonna play around with the placement of the leaves. I'm gonna duplicate them, I'm going to spin them around, rotate them, place them, and kind of just play with it and have fun. Once I'm happy with the placement of the leaves, I'm just going to use one of the default texture brushes available here in Photoshop, and I'm going to create a solid color background to go behind my text. As you can see, I picked the colors straight from the watercolor leaves. That way I'm sure that the green that I am using matches with the green in the leaves. From there, you can go on and just adjust it so it's more readable, move the leaves around so they're popping out of the background more, because now that we have the kind of solid color behind it, you can't really see the leaves anymore and it's not giving you that kind of like blooming from within feel. And lastly, I also have these individual leaves in the bundle, which I really love because they just add like a little bit of whimsical detail to any composition. So what I'm doing now is pulling out those individual leaves, and I'm going to start placing them around my scene to give it a more organic feel, as if there was like a gust of wind and now the leaves are blowing about everywhere. So it's not isolated to just this one quote in the middle of the page. A few minor tweaks just to add some balance to the whole thing, and here you have your final composition.